All right, so I have the Kim Eyre camera here just to do a quick review and also answer some questions. I have this here. It does come with its own little carrying case that you can slide this into and strap up for easy carrying. Inside the box, you get a cord for charging it. So one side is the not quite micro USB, but some kind of charging cord. And on the other side, you have the USB to charge it, as well as the cables if you want to plug this into like a TV or something like that. You also get inside the charging block, so you can plug it into a wall. You don't need to buy that separately. And then you'll have the 2 batteries and the instructional guide. This does have a shoe mount on top if you want to mount something like a microphone or a light. The only port on here is that charging port. There is no HDMI port, so if you're planning on using this for something like that, it does not appear that is an option. Though if you were to use this port and route it to your computer, you could use it through there as like a webcam and potentially use that to get it up to a TV or something like that. If you're planning on using this for like a live stream, that is possible, but there is no direct HDMI with this camera. Now I will say with the quality of this, it is plasticky, but it's not the worst kind of plasticky. So it is decent. I feel like it will hold up over time. Screen does flip around all the way, so if you did want to do something like a vlog or be able to watch yourself while recording, you can do that.